Today we're going to be talking about some common myths and things I wish I had known about toppers before I started wearing them. So first of all, let's talk about what a topper is. So hair toppers are meant to be used in combination with your bio hair, unlike a wig, which is in general designed to be worn completely covering your bio hair. So this hair topper clips, and it uses these pressure clips right here, directly into my bio hair. So that is how this topper is designed to be worn. As you can see, the base here, and the bases on hair toppers vary a lot, so don't get too stuck on the base sizing, but the base here is the part that covers your bio hair, and then the rest of this kind of blends into your bio hair. So this is my bio hair without the topper on. And then once I place it on, so as you can see, I usually line up my part line and I place mine a little bit behind my hairline. Different toppers are designed to be worn different ways. What I love about toppers is you can wear them kind of pulled back into a low ponytail, and you get to see your bio hair under here, so it looks very natural. What I really want to focus on in this video are common myths and doubts and questions about toppers. And these were some things that kind of held me back from trying a topper initially. So I just wanted to go over them so that you can know my experience. The first thing that I get often is it going to look natural? Is it going to blend well? What is it going to look like with my bio hair? So I can show you, and I did show you already, just the difference that this makes with the coverage on my hair and the blend. Being able to tuck it behind your ear, being able to put it into a ponytail, like those things make a huge difference for me. I think that they look very natural. If you get very up close and personal in my space, you might be able to tell if you look very, very closely that I have something on my head. But you would quite literally have to be almost like standing over me, looking down at my scalp in order to notice anything at all. For the most part, I think it looks very natural. It's very close to my bio hair color, so it blends really well. Another concern I had when I was first getting started was like, is this thing just gonna fly off of my head if it's a windy day or something? Or is it gonna, what if I ride the bike with my kids? Or what if, I want to jump on the trampoline? Like, what is going to happen with my hair? I can let you know, or rest assured, that this thing has never once flown off my head in windy days. I've been off-roading, I have been biking, I have been on roller coasters with this thing on, and never once has it fallen off my head. It is very secure. Now, I do a few things to make sure that it is even more secure if I'm gonna be doing something like a roller coaster, which I've gone on like an 80 mile per hour roller coaster with a hair topper on, and it stayed just fine, so it's okay. But I did a few other things to make sure it was nice and secure. Some of those things that you can do are add a halo wire to your topper or a wig grip. Great options. Another major concern that I definitely had when I first started wearing toppers was, is this going to pull out the little bit of bio hair I have left? And the answer is no, if you learn how to wear your hair topper properly. This is a very important part of topper wearing, is making sure you're clipping in your bio hair the right way and not adding any extra pressure or strain or stress to the bio hair that you have. But when you're putting on your hair topper, please make sure that you're scooping up as much bio hair as possible. And by that, I mean, you put the pressure clip, you kind of pull down on the hair topper, you hold onto your hair topper, and you scoop up as much of your bio hair as you can into that clip before you fix it shut or push it shut. This basically spreads out the strain that you're putting on your bio hair by including as much bio hair as possible, so that it's not just pulling or tugging on just one little strand or a few little strands. And that way it's like extra strong, it gives it more strength, more security. I'll take off my hair topper so you can see what my bio hair looks like. I've been wearing toppers almost every single day for the last 2 years, and I have not experienced any kind of friction alopecia or any kind of additional hair loss due to topper wearing. And I'm trying to point out where exactly I'm clipping it in. Usually my clips fall right around here and here, and I don't have any extra breakage or loss in those areas. So I hope this has kind of given you a little bit of encouragement and answered some of those questions that were on the forefront of your mind as you're looking into potentially purchasing a topper or exploring topper wearing. I do know that there are some initial nerves involved, and so please know that that is totally normal and just a part of the process. I highly encourage you to wear the topper around your home when you first get it, just to get used to wearing it for a while. Do that for a solid week before you venture out in public. This helps build up that confidence, build up that courage, and also helps familiarize yourself with the topper and seeing yourself in the mirror with the topper. All of these things are really, really important before you step out in public with your topper, just to help build that confidence, knowing that you can put the topper on with confidence, you can look at yourself in the mirror throughout the day and feel beautiful. All of these things are very important.